Yes, my heart always knew that one day I would end up marrying you. And I still can't believe that day has finally come. God allowed our paths to cross May of 2007. Parehas tayo ng vows eh. Sa lahat actually. Okay, makikita mo. And here we are, May 2024, 17 years later, about to become one. I can't thank God enough that it is your name He wrote beside mine. At sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa haba ng oras na ibinigay niya sa ating dalawa. Sobrang bait ni Lord Love that He wanted na magkasama na tayong lumaki. Na andoon ka at ang pamilya mo para sumuporta sa lahat ng mga masasakit na nangyari sa pamilya namin. Na maabutan mo pa at makilala si Kuya Edward at ang daddy ko habang nandito pa sila. Na makita ko ang bawat face sa buhay ng isang Nash Aguas. I witnessed your skater boy face, Justin Bieber face, chubby cheeks face, going bulilit games team captain na napaka-competitive face, moose gear face, director, and best actor face. Siyempre, there was even a face where I saw you at your lowest. But I want to tell you that this Nash with me today is my favorite face of all. And that is because Jesus is glowing within you, my love. You remind me of His love and His compassion. You extend His grace and His patience to me and everyone around you. You uplift me with your presence and with your words, just like He does to the both of us each and every day. You are the most beautiful person to me inside and out because you exude His gentle spirit and the pureness of His heart. I admire you for being so strong for the both of us when we entered our pruning season August last year. I know how painful it was for me. But I can't even begin to imagine how painful and heartbreaking it was for you. But still, you obeyed when God asked you to surrender and put our relationship aside to seek Him first. I am so proud of you because it's never easy to choose the narrow path and painful path, but you did. And now we're here. Both in Christ, both of our lives and characters changed for the better. All because you chose to follow Jesus. Thank you, my love, because that decision led me straight to Him when I needed it the most. Ang galing mo nga eh, kasi hindi pa tayo Mr. and Mrs. nun, pero you were already leading me. Kaya I'm sure you'll be the best leader to our future family, future kids. Mahal na kita nung binubuhat mo yung bag ko, again, sa kabahan ng Great Wall of China at sa Asian Cruise ng Bulilit kahit napakabigat ng dala ko. Pati nung binilahan mo ako ng green mermaid ballpen sa Singapore, nagte-taping tayo nun. Pagkatapos mo nakita na hindi ko na binili kasi ubos na yung baon ko. Yun nga lang, sa sobrang hiya mo, medyo hinagis mo na yung mermaid ballpen na yun sa akin. So hindi na siya sweet. Kilig na kilig ako nung dinilahan mo ko ng cream puff sa bahay ni ate. At naalala ko nun, basang-basa ka sa ulan. Tapos madaling araw nga. Ayaw mo mag-doorbell. Ando ka na sa labas. Pasensya na rin kung hindi ko agad nasuot yung binigay mong hot pink na Candice jacket. Alam ko nagtampo ka nun ng ilang taon. Napakahabang taon. Bago ko siya nasuot. Ay, love. Salamat sa lahat. At sa hinaba-haba. Ikaw ang unang crush ko. At ang huling mahal ko. I love you, love. So much. This is the start of our life together. Our forever. And I'm so blessed to be your Mrs. Victoriano.